Hi guys, congratulations, big congratulations for all those students who are ready with their mark sheet. That is CBSE and ICSE students. HCSE students are still waiting for their results. Well, my friends, I know that post result there will be three categories of students. You are expecting X percentage, but you managed to get X plus Y percentage. Superb, class. But शायद आपके लाइफ का मिरेकल खत्म हो गया. Every time you may not get this bonus. So now onwards, we have to be careful, we have to be consistent, we have to be hardworking. Second category, you were expecting X percentage and you got exactly X percentage. Superb. Super. Whatever you had planned, whatever you had decided, you have also executed well. Henceforth also you should continue the same journey. No experimentation is required. Whatever you expect, you deliver. So whatever results you expect, God delivers for you. Third categories of students, little unfortunate students. That is, you were expecting X percentage, but you have secured X minus Y percentage. Lot of disappointment at home. Personally, you're disappointed. You feel that the entire world is not moving the way you want it to move. You feel at times it is end of the world for you. You start find faults with the system, and mind it, at times system can be wrong. But before putting the blame on the system, we need to first find out whether things have gone wrong at our end also. Guys, you are hardly 16-17 years old. पूरा लाइफ पड़ा हुआ है. हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है कर लो मुट्ठी में दुनिया. तो just because you have so-called failure in your 10th standard exams, that does not mean life comes to an end. I will keep on talking with you continuously through this YouTube channel, and let's try to make every day better and better to be the best. See you soon. Bye.